This is my meal. Potatoes, veggie curry. That's his meal. Bon appetit.
You didn't get the margarita.
Oh yeah, and a margarita. Mmm. The red curry paste with coconut milk.
So good. That's such a good recipe. Can't believe that's like not what more people do.
Whoa. That's strong. Hi, Sunny. Hi, baby. Yummy.
You have to try the little pepperoni.
Sure. It's like burnt and super crispy. Workout is done. Got my lemon water, my coffee. Just cut some fresh flowers. We went for a little walk / jog with the dogs this morning. And that was really nice. It's a really, really sunny, pretty day today. And I was thinking about maybe potentially coloring my hair because I have a lot of grays that I need to color. And then doing like a pedicure for myself because I don't go to the salon anymore. Last week was really fun. We went for a hike with the dogs. And then I treated myself to a burger. I'm gonna shout out a burger place here in our neighborhood in Rancho Santa Margarita called The Stand. Usually on Fridays I'll have a nice cheat meal or I'll treat myself to something that I've been craving for weeks. Usually my go-to is a burger, and I'll do dessert of some sort like ice cream or cookies. I'm reading this book, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. I just bought this on Amazon and so far it's a pretty good book. I like to color not only my grays because normally I just do like the roots, but I want to color my entire hair because as you can see from like the bottoms are much lighter than my roots, and I like this dark brown color and I want that all over. Use the Satin brand hair color in the shade 3N dark brown, mix it with 20 developer. This is what it looks like. I do not know if this is going to be enough for my entire head, but I think what I'm going to do is first start with covering my roots, covering all my grays, and then what I'll do is I will just do probably like this top layer. Hair is done. I absolutely love it. I had not gotten a haircut, like I said, in so long. It just feels like new hair. I feel like a new person. It feels so soft. She just gave me a little bit of layers in the front, a little trim. It always feels so nice when you go to the salon and get like your hair and your nails done. Like I hadn't done that in such a long time. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna go home and eat something because I'm starving. I'm still hungry after eating leftovers from last night, which was veggie curry. So I made some avocado toast with Sliced cucumber on top. Everything but the bagel seasoning, baby.
That's alright.
So good.
You did really well.
Look at that. I made a pretty big dent in there.
You ate like a third.
Yeah, what do you think?
Careful, she's about to lick it.
I
They're
forgot
happy
to
we're
put.
home.
Yeah, I know, they're so happy. Forgot to put,
Maybe your flowers will come back.
I forgot to put water in the vases. And came home and then I finally put water. Hopefully they'll come back to life. You guys, I'm so excited about this tres leches cake. I cannot wait. No, this is so good. Tres leches cake with whipped cream and strawberries.
Literally like 48 hours ago, you're like
Not gonna
changing my
eat.
diet.
Not gonna eat sugar.
Is it really good?
It's like moist.
Really? It's that good?
Yeah.
I feel like it's always hit or miss at restaurants.
Okay, one more bite.
Wow. That's surprisingly really good. Whoops. Damn, that's really good. Cafe Rio really outdid themselves this time.
It was so much fun today. We had a blast going shopping at the outlets and I bought a few things. It was really just a fun time. And then we went to Costco, bought a bunch of groceries and then picked up dinner. We just finished dinner. I am stuffed from all that food. It was so yummy. Cafe Rio. We go and relax outside in the backyard. Maybe leave a comment down below if you guys like vlogs. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.